Okay, so unfortunately, I'm not here this week. I have to go and get some medical stuff done due to the fact I'm a BP employee. Okay, so that's a bit of a hassle. So sorry for not being with you today. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, as I said last week, is you've got 40 minutes, 45 minutes to finish strands 2 to 4 during lessons today. So this is what research are you going to be doing? That's strand 2. Strand 3 is looking at current e-portfolios and looking at their strengths and weaknesses. And the final strand is just summing all that research up. Okay. Once you've done that, I want you to play around on Google Sites. So you need to use new Google Sites. This is really important. You will need to use Chrome to do this, or Firefox potentially. But the new Google Sites doesn't work in Safari or Opera or some other browsers that you might use. The link below, okay, so the link on this message you can see on the screen has a bit of a tour of Google Sites done by me, so you give you a bit of an overview, but it's pretty simple to use, okay. For homework, you haven't got any specific homework set, but I should have marked by the time you have your lessons, your strand 1. So have a look at that and maybe do any feedback, any improvements based on the feedback. See me between now and next week's lesson if you need any clarification on any points to help you. But hopefully you will do some work on that. So the main thing for most of you was to make sure you've justified the points that you're making. So for example, if you're making the point that reflection is really important and is a benefit of ePortfolios, go and find some research that says why reflection is important in the first place. That will help you get into the 7 or 8 mark bracket as opposed to the 5 or 6. And then the other thing that you could be doing in preparation for next week's lesson is just continue playing around on Google Sites and see what's possible. Can you make passwords? Can you change pictures? Can you insert videos? How can you change color and background and insert different things? Okay, there's lots of cool stuff that you can do with Google Sites, but you need to know what Google Sites can do before we can start the design stuff that we'll be doing next week. So please spend a little bit of time understanding Google Sites. Okay, I hope that's okay. Have a good lesson without me. Bye-bye.